Mother, what do you see they do for inside there? You know about quick. Sis, how many minutes? 30 minutes, sir. She dey inside toilet.
I wonder. I better do quick because I won't go my boyfriend place. What's here for gone? Tell you, I will change her for you if you not do quick for there. I don't know what's in the bag. See your body self. You know.
We don't tire.
I don't know what's in the bag. See.
Madam, order very fast. Sis, for 30 minutes. Last you come out for inside bedroom. What do you think I do for inside toilet, sis? I don't tire. Sir, I don't able to go work.
Well done.
Well done.
How far? How you doing? You know go school.
Sister, make me fast now. Sis money. Madam, what do you see they do for inside toilet?
Who take that place now?
Abeg, make I no vex. I don't finish. Abeg, almost done.
Where you the bath? Sis, where you the bath?
It's not easy to fresh now.
Which fresh you fresh? Abeg, come over here, John. Which fresh? This to be fresh. Fresh.
Because I follow that they stay here, no miss her, no fresh.
Now so they go find house for somewhere else now.
And my boyfriend say make I meet her for 12:30.
Okay, go meet your boyfriend.
You know.
And you wait, what did they find for here? Don't feel bad for when you miss the bar for that place. What did they find for?
What you concern you? Now you get my small picky spirit. You don't go back to make it back for outside. I'm not go back for outside.
Make me go back for outside.
Kiriku na your mate.
I see no you. No, I don't be your mate.
Share me.
Wait, the follow portable talk like that, say you see now.
Kiriku, I don't want you. I don't even want your mama.
Come.
Come back for here, make it back. I'm going to face.
Why you charge her? Where my charge her? Follow you. I will put you out.
Let me one punch.
Kiriku for this house.
Me and you. No worries, it's not your fault. Now Sakwa dey cause am. By the time I make it in life, I swear I will leave you for this cup. I'll be your mate. I'll be your mate.
You may not be swear to the drug water bedroom and not get.
Because I never.
Did they go work so now they waste my time.
I no go beat
Wait.
you. I go kill you.
Okay, nice one.
Yes.
Because I never pay house rent, they talk to me anyhow. No problem.
I'm not your mate. Don't tell me.
No problem.
Anybody when they in that place, come outside.
Madam, come on.
The husband is too much. Come outside.
I don't finish. I dey come.
Jade.
She's starting me. She's tired. Come on.
So now you even there. Now you there. Now they delay us.
Oh, now they shout.
Now you Abi.
How you dey now? Fine boy.
I bet leave me down. I vex. We got delay us since. This boy they talk to me anyhow.
No vex. No vex, Jerry. I cook vegetable soup.
I know your vegetable. Leave me.
That type what you dey like now. I put in roux with that meat. Now that goat meat.
You look husband.
Oh, buffet.
I know what. Hope your husband is not.
That one. He's not around. Just come later, okay? I'll be waiting for you.
I know what. Hey, what's up? Hey, come here.
Let me go back first now. I'm going to my bed today. It's free. What's up? Wait now. I'm not with you. Now me want to tell you. Come on. Now my back is there now. I don't like this shit, yo. I don't like this shit, yo.
I don't follow you. See, I go blow your mouth now. I go blow your mouth.
Hey! I'm going to come back for you.
You get up.
See what you cause.
Sir, you don't be actual. You don't drink one bedroom. Let me go catch you now too. I'll go back for my mate.
Who don't go catch? So you know say you go back for where small pikin dey back.
Come again.
You come for this thing. Kiriku.
I don't want water. I don't want water.
Okay. No, come for the place where I go back now. Because I be woman, I don't dey expose my body. You know. No, come to the bedroom.
I go put you.
Kiriku, wetin dey worry you now?
Mama, please.
You got me wrong.
Hey, Modana. Hey. I think your mama for age.
No more carry this.
Wait, who? Now me spoil am. Who go carry am?
You no be carry am.
Beg me, Jare.
Please.
Ada. Who is there? Who is there coming?
Lawyerkunle.
Lawyerkunle. Come in.
What?
How are you?
What? Which one is how are you?
I missed you.
That's good. I swear I don't like what you did this morning. You're not allowing that small boy and that portable to be talking to me anyhow.
Sorry now.
With my status in this Nigeria, they are talking to me anyhow.
Don't be angry.
Because I never make them.
You go make
because I never make them.
You go make them.
No, I swear that thing pay me. I swear to God. Come on, that nonsense now.
No vex now.
Ah, no problem. All is well. I know it's what I'm looking for. My hand will touch it one day. With my 16 years in this compound.
16 years?
I know. I'm 16 years in this compound now.
Ha! Oh, girl.
You have used how many years, F?
2 years now.
Ah, you go see tail. You go tail.
I reject it too. I go take years, 16 years.
Now so me I take. I just tell you go tail.
I no go take.
No problem. Oh yeah, give me the vegetable. What you talk say? Ma come shop.
Which vegetable?
Maybe you talk say you do vegetable with iru and local.
I dey talk about this vegetable now.
Stop! I don't start. Stop all this thing now. Stop all this thing. I don't tell you say make you stop. I don't want to do all this thing again. This is a new revolution. I don't want to be doing all those things again.
Now wow, I no cook now. See food here now.
Actually, I don't want to talk this kind of food. I don't tire.
You know if you tired, Jerry. I better me rub cream for my body.
Where's your boyfriend, Sef?
That one. No day.
What's already wrong with that boy, Sef? Eh? You people never marry. You be coming as if you people are married. I don't know what I even rent the house. You be coming as if you people are married or something. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I'll send him away. Don't worry.
Send him away.
Let me rub cream on my back.
Hope he's not coming with us.
No. Okay, wait. Hold on. Just hold on.
Okay. Where did you go?
Make a talk to Kiriku. Make him watch him. If you want to come, make him come. Where this boy dey? Kiriku! See her for here, sir. Kiriku, how you there now? Sure, you know here when I dey call your name, you no even answer me. Kiriku, see you know that my boyfriend. That one way short, we no too tall. If he come, tell am say I no dey.
I no dey like that now.
Now. I go find you something, No vex, yeah? Just tell am say I no dey, yeah? Thank you. I don't tell them, Jerry.
Yeah, give me the cream.
You know, say this cream, they very good for body.
Dog bite you.
Rub something now. Rub. This side.
Exactly. I don't. What be all this now?
I know.
Egbang. Oh yeah, push more.
Hey!
Wait. Who be your boyfriend? What voice be that?
Nah, but I don't tell Kiriku me. Tell him say I'm ready.
Me, I don't want. Are you sure?
Yes, no.
No way.
Kiriku, I want to see my babe now.
Your babe no dey ask.
On top waiting. Sure you go dey block me for this entrance.
Me, I don't want wahala like this. That boy safe. No be rent house for you. Go dey find you up and down. No be you use your money rent house.
So when she said she will come back.
I dey come ask her when you go come back.
Hey,
Jesus. When you come back.
You already know?
Yeah.
Kiriku, so she dey inside you dey kill me for this compound. Upon say I dey give you something. Come out for this room, me I enter there. Hey, babe. Now wetin you dey do be this, Abi? Lawyerkunle.
Cinema. I swear to God, see, call me to come and eat vegetable. That's what I mean.
On top bed, Lawyerkunle vegetable on top bed.
Oh, I use beg to God you. You
won't call eat her before the vegetable, Abi? You want eat her, babe, so you get this mind.
Oh, sorry.
You not gonna leave.
I use beg to God you. Senior man.
Who be your senior man?
I use beg to God you.
Say.
I use beg to God you. As you are seeing me, I only my mama, I swear.
Now only you them.
No, wait, no. Nobody in our family have died because of cutlass.
You will be the first. You will be the first person. You will be the first person.
now.
What the?
I say if my boyfriend come, tell us I no day. You not tell him.
You dey pay me money.
Which of them?
I beg